Hi everyone. Today we'll be explaining how to download the Krptic Wallet. First, open your App Store. Next, search Krptic Wallet in the search bar. Once you've searched for Krptic Wallet, select Krptic and click Download. Once it's finished downloading, click Open. This will take you to the opening screen for Krptic Wallet. One stop. Krptic Wallet provides a one-stop service. Safe crypto. Keep crypto assets safe and accessible at all times. Stay private. Stay incognito and under the radar while growing your wealth. Be informed. Become informed and discover growing blockchain projects in early stages. Once you're ready, select Be Cryptic. First, you'll be prompted to create your 6-digit passcode. Enter any 6 digits you would like. Once you've entered, confirm it once more. Next, we'll create a wallet. Select the Balance tab at the bottom and click Create. Here you will see the options for mnemonic password or passphrase. When you select mnemonic, you'll see the options for 12 words all the way up to 24 words. In our case, we'll select 12 words. So click 12 words at the top. Next, click Create. And there you go, you've created your wallet. But there's one more step. You need to back up your security phrase. So for this, click Settings in the bottom right-hand corner. Select Manage Wallets. Now you'll see the red exclamation point next to your wallet. This means your wallet has not been backed up. Select the 3 vertical dots on the right side to proceed. Click Backup Phrase. Here you will back up your recovery phrase. This phrase is your key to your wallet. Do not share it with anyone. When you're sure no one's around, click Show. Before seeing your recovery phrase, it'll prompt you to enter your passphrase once more. Now here is your 12-word recovery phrase. Write these down in a secure location and show nobody. Once they've been written down, select Backup. Next, you'll be prompted to enter 2 of your 12-word recovery phrases, word number 10 and word number 1. Once you've entered in these 2 words, select Done. There you go. You've created your wallet, you've backed up your recovery phrase, and you are ready to go.